Let's start with Gusto. Gusto has built its reputation around simplicity and a great user experience. It is designed for small businesses and startups that need reliable payroll and HR tools without the complexity of enterprise systems. The platform lets you run payroll in just a few clicks, automatically calculating taxes, filing forms, and sending direct deposits. It takes care of federal, state, and local tax compliance, so you do not have to worry about the details. Gusto also handles employee benefits, like health insurance, retirement plans, and workers' compensation, directly within the same dashboard. For startups, that is a huge time saver because you do not need separate vendors or integrations to offer competitive benefits. Employees can log in, see their pay stubs, adjust benefits, and even access financial wellness tools. Where Gusto really shines is user-friendliness. The interface is simple, the automation is reliable, and setup is fast. It also offers features like automatic onboarding, e-signatures for new hires, and customizable offer letters. Pricing is transparent too, which makes it easy for startups to plan their budgets. Gusto is an excellent fit if your company is growing quickly and you want to get payroll, benefits, and compliance up and running without extra complexity. Now let's look at Rippling. Rippling takes a more advanced, tech-driven approach. It is not just a payroll and HR system. It is a full employee management platform that connects HR, IT, and finance all in one place. With Rippling, you can onboard an employee, issue their laptop, set up their software accounts, and run their payroll in the same workflow. That level of integration makes it ideal for startups with a remote or hybrid team. Rippling handles payroll, benefits, compliance, and time tracking, just like Gusto, but it goes further with automation and customization. You can manage multiple systems from one dashboard, including devices, apps, and permissions. For example, when someone leaves the company, Rippling can automatically revoke their access to all tools and deactivate their accounts, something Gusto does not cover. In terms of payroll accuracy and compliance, both platforms are excellent. Rippling's edge comes from its scalability. It is built to handle more complex needs, like multiple entities, departments, or international contractors, without losing the ease of use that startups love. The reporting tools are also more advanced, giving you deeper insights into costs, headcount, and performance. Both platforms deliver automation, compliance, and employee self-service tools that simplify life for founders and HR managers. Gusto keeps things light and accessible. Rippling gives you control, depth, and scalability. Either way, both make payroll and HR management easier, smarter, and ready for the future of work.